Today I'm going to show you how to take a old plate and a spindle and a base board and turn it into a bird feeder. Let's get started. I need to drill a hole through the bottom of this plate, which will be the bird bath. There'll be a screw that will go down through here. And drill a hole. I'm just going to use a regular high-speed drill bit. Oh, that stuff is hard. I'm going to continue on drilling. I won't bore you with the details. I'll be back when I get the hole drilled through. Finally got all the way through the plate, dish, bowl. That stuff is hard. And it chipped out on this side a bit, which I kind of expected. I'm going to do, this is a rubber hose. What I'm going to do is cut out a washer. This is a screw that I'm going to use. It'll go in there. Cut this. See if I can round this up. I'm cutting on my workbench, which I don't care if I get cut marks in it, but if you're working on something you don't want get cut, don't cut on it. Cut on a piece of scrap wood or something that's, you don't care if it gets cut. I'm just working my way around here, just trying to make this kind of a circle. This stuff must be 3/16 inches thick, so it's not too bad to cut, but and kind of round this up again a little bit more. Not getting it too small, so I'm going to seal all around. There we go. That's not too bad. I'm just going to round it up a little bit more, but what I'll need to do is drill a hole through the middle, and the screw will go right through here. It'll go down through the bowl and then into a spindle that'll be under here. I found a drill bit that is about the same diameter as the shaft part of the screw, which is the area without the threads. You don't want to go all the way out to the edge of the threads because then they won't hold. And I'm going to drill a hole. I found this spindle with a base on it, which will work great. And so now I'm going to drill. I've marked the middle. I want to get the drill as straight up and down as I can get it, which is tough to do. You want to look from all sides. I have a block of beeswax. I'm going to put some of that into the threads in the screw. It just makes it easier to thread it in. And I've got the rubber washer on. Put that through the hole in the plate. Line it up with that hole. This is a straight screw, which are not very good. I prefer a Phillips, but I'll go with this one. I'll screw that down. And I got that screw all the way in. It's tight, and that should be a watertight seal. If it leaks, what I'll do is I'll remove the screw, put some silicone caulk underneath this washer, seal up that area, and then I'll probably put some underneath the screw head just to seal up that also. But being that that's rubber, I'm hoping that'll seal. And there's the bird bath all done. That's the first one I've made. It looks great. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, and share, and have a great day.